Hi, my name is Mark Roland Di Callejo. I will teach you or give you information about Parkinson's disease.
Parkinson's disease. Concept map of Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease affects the way you move. It happens when there's a problem with certain nerve cells in the brain. It is progressive and grossly affects motor function. Symptoms of Parkinson's disease may appear at any age, but average age of onset is 60. Rare in people younger than 30, but 5% to 10% of patients experience symptoms before the age of 40. Laboratory and diagnostic exam, EEG or electroencephalogram, records some aspect of brain electrical activity. PET scan, may detect low levels of dopamine in the brain. Physical activity. Pathology, characterized by severe loss of substantia nigra. Dopaminergic neurons visible in the brain function as the pigmentation of the substantia nigra in the midbrain. It is estimated that approximately 70% to 80% of the substantia nigra dopamine cells are lost by the time a patient first presents for the clinical evaluation, diagnosis, and treatment. Neuroimaging reveals a typically asymmetric loss of dopamine terminals in the striatum, which progresses over time leading to the further clinical deterioration. Parkinson's disease common old male. It is cause of trauma or damage in cerebellum, which affect the physical body balance. Due to damage of cerebellum, the patient will experience unsteady gait, shuffling, and postural changes. It is also affect the basal ganglion, which can result to resting, tremors, and pill rolling. The substantia nigra of midbrain decreased dopamine resulting to increased excitation of neural impulses. So the patient experiences cardinal symptoms such as rigidity, bradykinesia, tremors, postural changes. Differential diagnosis. Essential tremor or ET. Tremor is the only predominant feature, no response to the Parkinson's disease drugs. Next, progressive supranuclear palsy or PSP. Supranuclear down-gauge palsy, square wave jerks, upright posture, pseudo, bulbar effect, early gait instability dysphagia. Multiple system atrophy or MSA. The multiple system atrophy or MSA is a autonomic disturbance cerebellar signs, relative absence of tremor, early gait instability, and dysphagia. Corticobasal or degeneration CBD. Limb aplasia, cortical sensory abnormalities, cause unilateral tremor, early dementia. Next, diffuse Lewy body dementia or LBD is the early dementia, psychosis, agitation. Next, the Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease, dementia is the primary symptoms. Drug-induced Parkinsonism. Exposure to dopamine-blocking drugs, lack of rest, tremor, and asymmetry. Last, vascular Parkinsonism, history of chronic hypertension, stepwise progression, or unilateral imaging. Sign and symptoms, initial complaints, aching pains, paresthesias, numbness, coldness, stiffness. Classic features, tremor, rigidity, bradykinesia, postural instability. Treatment, there's no cure for Parkinson's disease. Treatment centers on relieving symptoms. Medication, surgery or surgical implanted device that lessen tremors. Pharmacological treatment, dopamine replacement or agonist, levodopa, can become ineffective over time. Abnormal movement, levodopa and carbidopa. Combined Sinemet is the mainstay of Parkinson's therapy. Side effect, gastrointestinal distress, especially early in treatment. Hypotension and dyskinesias. Slow dosage adjustment and taking medication with food can reduce this effect, and using lowest effective dose may prevent or delay appearance of motor dysfunction. Dopamine agonist, Parlodel, Mirapex, side effects, hypotension, and hallucination. Dopamine agonists. Dopamine agonists mimic dopamine function in the brain. They are used primarily as adjuncts to levodopa or carbidopa therapy. They can be used as monotherapy, but they are generally less effective in controlling symptoms with side effects and similar to those produced by levodopa. These are examples of dopamine agonists: bromocriptine, pergolide, pramipexole, propinerol. Next is the anticholinergic drugs. Anticholinergic drugs are reduce the relative overcapacity of neurotransmitter acetylcholine to balance the diminished dopamine activity. This class of drugs is most effectively in the control of tremors. They are used of adjuncts to the levodopa. Side effects associated with anticholinergic drugs include dry mouth, blurred vision, constipation, and urinary retention. These are examples of the anticholinergic drugs: Progentin, Akinetone, Benadryl, Artane. COMT or catechol or methyltransferase inhibitors. This new class of Parkinson's medication augment levodopa therapy by inhibiting the COMT enzymes which metabolize levodopa before it reaches the brain. Inhibiting COMT increases the amount of levodopa that enters the brain. These drugs are only effective when used with levodopa. These are examples of COMT enzymes inhibitors: Promptan and Pasmar. Next is the monoamine oxidase B or MAO B inhibitors. Dopamine is oxidized by monoamine oxidase B, MAO-B. Legiolin carbex inhibits MAO-B, increasing the amount of available dopamine in the brain. MAO-B inhibitors boost the effect of levodopa. Next is the amantadine. It is an antiviral medication. Non-pharmacological treatments. Physical therapy can help strengthen and tone underused muscles and give rigid muscles a better range of motion. The goal is to help build body strength, improve balance, overcome gait problems, and improve speaking and swallowing. Next, the simple physical activity such as walking, gardening, and swimming can improve one's sense of well-being. Next, gentle, soothing massage. Techniques may also provide relief from muscle rigidity and may have some neuromuscular benefit as well. Last, support groups provide a caring, supportive environment in which patients and their loved ones can ask questions about Parkinson's, experiencing their frustration, and obtain advice about coping with the treating symptoms from people who share the same problem.
I will demonstrate to you the appearance of a person with a Parkinson's disease.